Hey everyone, welcome back to the Spanish Spot, where we make learning Spanish easy and fun. Today we're going to talk about 3 super useful verbs in Spanish: gustar, interesar, and aburrir. Let's begin with gustar, to like. In Spanish, we don't say I like coffee. Instead, we say coffee pleases me. That's why we use gustar differently. In this case, the sentence is me gusta el café. Examples: me gusta la pizza, I like pizza. Me gustan los tacos, I like tacos. Notice the difference? Singular is gusta, and plural is gustan. Now let's talk about interesar, to interest. This works the same way. Example: me interesa el arte, art interests me. Me interesan los deportes, sports interest me. Now we have aburrir, to bore. Again, same pattern. Example: me aburre la clase. The class bores me. Me aburren las películas largas. Long movies bore me. Practice with pronouns. Here are the pronouns you use with these verbs: me, to me; te, to you; le, to him, her, you formal; nos, to us; us, to you all Spain; les, to them, you all. Examples: te gusta bailar. You like to dance. Le interesa la música. Music interests him. Nos aburren las tareas. Homework bores us. So remember, use me, te, le, nos, os, or les before gusta, interesa, aburre according to who is talking. And if it is plural, remember to add the letter N at the end. For example, gustan, interesan, aburren. Nos gusta el helado. We like ice cream. Le gusta la astronomía. He likes astronomy. Les aburre leer. Reading bores them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn Spanish with us at the Spanish Spot. Hasta la próxima.